Hey, this is Yoga Your Heart Out with Deb. Congratulations on just taking a few moments out of your day just for you so you can peel back layers of stress out of your mind and out of your body through yoga, through moving and breathing. I hope you really enjoy this sequence. Give it a thumbs up when you're done. Shoot me a comment and I'll comment back if you have something to say. And let's get started. All right, let's get started. Today we're going to start on our backs in Shavasana. So go ahead on your yoga mat, find your way onto your back, legs straight, arms down by your sides. Take a moment. I don't know what you just came from, but allow yourself some time to transition from life, busy life off the yoga mat, to being here. Good job carving this time out for yourself. Let's make the most of it. Good. Just kind of feel your body out. Decide what you're working with today. Acknowledge that. Acknowledge your headspace, where you at emotionally. You know, maybe you're a little stressed or worried, or maybe you're happy, and I don't know. All right? Anything's okay. All right, just acknowledge it. And then I want you to start thinking about your breath, noticing how you're breathing. Are you breathing choppy, short breaths? Are you breathing deep breaths? All right, I'm going to give you a suggestion. If you can, breathe in and out of your nose if possible. Next, breathe really deep if you can. Breathe in, fill up your lungs all the way like massive balloons. And then focus on pressing the air all the way out like you're emptying every last bit of air out of them. And repeat this process. Try to smooth it out, repeat it, keep it going as we move and breathe today. The more you breathe like that, the better you're going to feel. It steals your attention from worry and thoughts. So let the breath do its thing so you can feel better by the time we're done. All right, take another massive inhale. Draw your knees into your chest. Take a few rock and rolls, just kind of working your way up. And I have a challenge for you. When you come up, try to balance on your sit bones for boat pose. If you want, you can grab on to your legs and lift your heart. Or if you're feeling like you want more, you could release your arms, down by your sides. It's up to you. You certainly don't have to. Good. Take another inhale. As you exhale, just get out of it. All right, so come all the way up here to your hands and knees. Line your wrist up with your shoulders, knees with your hips. Inhale, hammock the belly, look up. And exhale, tuck and down the spine. Inhale, hammock the belly, look up. Exhale, dome the spine. Go ahead and find neutral spine. Line your right wrist up and your right knee up. Kickstand the right shin behind you. Straighten the left leg. Bring that left foot in line with your right knee in line with the right wrist for modified side plank. Good. Press the floor away with that right hand. Stay nice and strong on that right shoulder. Don't collapse. Reach up with the left fingertips. Breathe. Take another inhale. Draw the left arm over the left ear. Look for length here. Concentrate on sealing the outer edge of the left foot into the mat. Feel the line of energy going up the left side body out of your left fingertips. Take another inhale and set it down. All right, from here, I want you to go ahead and transition to the other side. So you're going to roll your weight into your left hand, left knee, kickstand the left shin. Right leg goes straight, right arm to the sky, modified side plank. Good. Press the floor away with that left hand. Take another inhale. Draw the right arm over the right ear, lengthening. Feel the outer edge of the right foot seal down into the mat, the line of energy out up the right side of your body. Reach with the right fingertips. Take another inhale and set it down. Good. From here, I want you to take your left leg behind you, flex the left foot. Bring the left toes down so they're facing down towards the mat. Good. Get nice and strong in the left hand. When you're ready, right arm overhead, right thumb to the sky. Flex the left foot. Reach with the right fingertips. Good. Looking for length. Breathe. Gaze down where that right hand used to be. Just keep the neck in line with your spine. Take another inhale. Exhale. Set it down. Bring the right leg out behind you. Flex the right foot. Point the toes down to the mat. Get strong on the right hand. And then when you're ready, left arm overhead, left thumb to the sky. Hold and breathe. Flex the right foot. Reach with the left fingertips. Press the floor away strong with the right hand. Take another inhale. Reach it long. Exhale. Set it down. Nice job. Now from here, I want you to go ahead and roll onto your belly. Bring your forearms out in front of you. Stack your shoulders right over your elbows. Palms flat, fingers spread. Sphinx pose. Gaze down between your thumbs. Relax your glutes. Breathe. Nice job. Bottom belly breaths. Take another inhale. As you exhale, bring your chest down. Slide your palms down towards your rib cage, and then I want you to press up through hands and knees. Tuck your toes under, butt to the sky. Downward facing dog. Palms flat, fingers spread. Press the chest back. Take a moment in this down dog. Shake your head yes and no. From down dog, inhale, shift your weight forward to a plank. So line your shoulders up over your wrists. Press the floor away super strong. Take out that dip between your shoulder blades. Keep the neck in line with your spine as you gaze down between your thumbs. Draw your belly up and in. Drop your knees if you need to. You can do plank with your knees down. I have a challenge. You can do it with your knees down too. Unplug the right hand, come down to your right forearm, left hand comes all the way down. So forearm plank. Press the floor away strong. You can do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. Sphinx. Shoulders over your elbows. Palms flat, fingers spread. Gaze down between your thumbs. Breathe. Nice job. Bring your chest down. Palms come all the way down. Press into the mat. Come through hands and knees if you want to. Butt to the sky. Down dog. Listen, we're going to do that again. We're going to do it 2 more times. So, again, your knees can be down or they can stay up the whole time, depending on what you need today. Inhale, shift your weight forward. Good. Drop down to your forearms, forearm plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sphinx pose. Forearms down, shoulders over your elbows. You got it. Breathe. We have only 1 more of those to go. All right, chest down, palms back. Press up through hands and knees or skip hands and knees and down dog. Nice job. All right. Inhale, plank. Drop to your forearms. Good. You got it. Press the floor away. 5. Last one. 4. 3. You can set your knees down. 2. And 1. Drop it down. Sphinx pose. Nice job. Take another inhale. Roll it down. Press up through hands and knees just so you can transition onto your back. Good. Oh man, so we barely even got up off of the mat today, right? But we really worked. Draw your knees into your chest. We really worked hard. Something really hard about plank and forearm plank, but it's so good for you. All right, keep your knees bent. Grab onto the outer edges of your feet. Happy baby. Try to get the spine flat on the mat and try to get the knees in towards your shoulders. Breathe. If you want to sway side to side, you could. Take another inhale. As you exhale. Good. Grab your knees. Plop them to the right. Scoot your hips to the left. Arms out. Take your gaze to the left. Spinal twist. And Remember that foundation we set up. Deep breathing. Take another inhale. Let's switch it out. Knees to the left, hips to the right, gaze to the right, spinal twist. Breathe into it. Take another inhale. As you exhale, come to the center. Draw your knees into your chest. Squeeze them in. Good. Take a massive inhale. As you exhale, legs straight. Arms down by your sides. Close your eyes. Find your natural breath. Listen, if you've got a few minutes, you can hit the pause button. Like I suggest, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever you got. If you don't have a lot of time, stay here with me. Shavasana. Complete and total relaxation. All right, maybe you hit the pause button and maybe you came back. Maybe you've been with me the whole time, but either way, slowly turning to one side, take a moment, eventually coming all the way up. I hope you feel better than when you started. Your mind thanks you, your body thanks you. Thank you for taking care of yourself. Subscribe to this channel. Give this episode a thumbs up, so you don't miss any episodes that come out every Monday. If you want more, yogayourheartoutwithdeb.com/free60 FREE60. Check that out. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.